Do you have a perimeter fence that needs protection? Then you need the IRONCLAD, a perfect solution to detect any unauthorized intrusion. The sensor cable detects any cutting, climbing, or lifting throughout the full height of the fence. The algorithm of detection is designed to filter vibrations like wind, rain, and snow, while still detecting sharp frequencies like cutting or climbing. Fence sensors were known for being complicated, custom, unreliable, and expensive. But not anymore with RBtec's IRONCLAD, or as we call it, perimeter security made easy, reliable, and affordable. The IRONCLAD is unique. It was designed to be so user-friendly that anyone without prior knowledge or certification can install it successfully. You don't have to replace your whole security system to use the IRONCLAD. It connects to any burglar alarm or camera system. The IRONCLAD system can be mounted on any metallic fence, even with privacy slates, PVC, or vinyl coat. RBtec's IRONCLAD is already used by thousands of commercial and industrial customers for perimeter protection. The IRONCLAD sensor cable sold in spools of 250 feet (75 meters), 500 feet (150 meters), and 1,000 feet (300 meters). The IRONCLAD is plug and deploy. No training, certification, or special tools needed. Standalone. No calibration. 22 levels of sensitivity per zone. 3 layers of false alarm filtration. Protects fences up to 10 feet with a single run of cable. Maintenance free. So go now to www.rbtec.com and upgrade to a smart fence.